Well, good morning, everybody. This is Dale the Traveler. As you can see, it is one beautiful morning. The sea's a little rough this morning. It was real rough last night. Kind of rocked me around a little bit. That's alright. You can tell by the alarm that there's some different things going on in the depths of the sea this morning. Pretty good. We have our sails down. We're motoring today because we still have to get one of our sails fixed. It's a little rough this morning. The swells are maybe about 6 foot, probably every 1 minute, maybe less. But it's pretty out here today. You cannot beat scenery like this at all. Had a good night. It was long. It got cold last night. It got real cold. And I think we're probably going to run into some bad weather today. Calling for top seas, 8 to 12 feet. And I think we'll probably get them early this afternoon. Maybe we will. Maybe we won't. Who knows? But you can tell it's gorgeous out. I mean, this is gorgeous. This is what the wilderness is all about. Right here. So, this is the Traveler, Dale. You guys have a good day. Talk to you later. This is what it's all about, people. Out here in the open, experiencing the sea, traveling around. It's pretty. It's a little rocky, but it's pretty. That's all for now. Take care.